You know when you see a flooded forest, fallen trees everywhere, and a creek turned into a swamp, and your first thought is, yeah, something definitely went wrong here. Like, it looks like environmental damage. But here's the thing. Sometimes that destruction is actually one of nature's best restoration projects. Because a lot of the time, a beaver did it. And, beavers are way more important than most people realize. Look, most people think beavers are just giant rodents chewing trees and flooding stuff. But here's what most people don't realize. Beavers are ecosystem engineers. They build dams to create ponds that protect them from predators. But those ponds also slow water, store moisture, and create wetlands. And wetlands are basically wildlife supercenters. More birds, more fish, more amphibians, more insects, more biodiversity. A single beaver family can transform a simple stream into an entire thriving ecosystem. This is where it gets really interesting. By slowing water down, beavers also help landscapes survive drought. Instead of water rushing away, it gets stored in soil and wetlands like savings in a bank account. That means greener plants, healthier habitats, and in some places, even reduced wildfire damage. Seriously! Beaver wetlands can act like natural fire breaks because wet landscapes burn less easily. Now, people often think beavers destroy nature because they cut trees and flood land. But healthy ecosystems aren't always neat. Beavers create ecological mess, and that mess creates opportunity. Dead trees become habitat, wetlands filter water, floodplains come back to life. What looks chaotic can actually increase ecosystem health. Here's the big takeaway. Beavers don't just live in nature, they reshape it. They're a keystone species, meaning their impact is way bigger than their numbers. And when humans wiped out beavers in many places, entire wetland systems disappeared too. So protecting beavers isn't just about saving one animal. It can mean restoring entire ecosystems. So next time you see a muddy pond or a flooded patch of forest, don't just ask, what happened here? Ask, what's being rebuilt? Because sometimes one of nature's most powerful environmental engineers has orange teeth and a flat tail. If this changed how you see beavers, hit subscribe, because nature is full of animals doing way more than most people realize.